Hi everyone, welcome back. It is day 5 of the 7 days of summer Digi 2021 collab between Dear Julie Julie and Cara Brandon Creations, and I am making things for my new recipe junk journal that I am currently constructing. And today we have this gorgeous collage sheet from Cara Brandon and this sheet of fruits from Dear Julie Julie. Now this was the first time I printed it out and it was a little bit too dark, so I did redo it, and I have also fussy cut some of these pieces out to use and made it a little bit lighter and brighter. This one here we will cut up as we need it. So what I'm doing today, I decided I didn't just want all my recipe pages just to be plain pages with text on it, whether it be handwritten or typed or whatever. I want some pretty pages because that's what junk journals are all about. So I have been into my scrap stash and I have grabbed some things to give you an idea of what I'm going to do. Now, I have already done some background work because watching paint dry and stamps dry is all a bit boring. Like, I've done some stamping on that one with some gold paint. I've put some scraps on it, and now we're just going to make them look pretty. I don't think I'll do this with every page, but I definitely want some of them to look cute. So this very first one, I have decided I want to strawberry theme it. So we're going to do some chopping up here. Just going to cut along that border there because I'm going to use this piece in here. I just didn't want to cut up this sheet before I started the video so I could show you how gorgeous it is. And it's a little bit sad to cut this up, but look, I can print out another one if I want to use this for another one of my dividers or on my cover. Still haven't decided how I'm doing my covers yet, but we'll get to that. Now, I've got a little scrap sheet here so I don't get glue all over my mat like I did the other day. So let's have a look. What are we going to do? We're going to put this... So the idea of these is I just want to put a little bit of deco on the side or at the bottom or the top. I obviously still have to have room to add recipes, but I thought, look, why don't we just make a few pretty ones and use up some of these gorgeous things that we've been given to play with today. So simply, I'm going to pop that on there. And I picked up some of these papers that I've used because I thought they sort of resembled tablecloths a little bit. I don't know why, but I thought that sort of suited. Now, of course, I have taken up quite a bit of space, but look, I'll pick a recipe that can fit. You know, we'll make it work. And then the other thing I wanted to do, I had these 2 cute little strawberries that were on another piece of scrap that I had, and they're very bright and fun. So I thought I might just pop them on there as well. Simple as that. And there we go. I think that's enough for that page. I don't think we need to overdo it. Then on the bottom of this page, I have this yellow that I actually coffee dyed the back of for another project. So it sort of dulled it down from bright white, which I don't mind. And I definitely want to use this gorgeous lemonade sign for this. So we are going to cut across it so that it's not too big. And then we're going to stick it down like that. So nice and easy. But this is a great way to use up leftover pieces. If you have lots of cute little ephemera things, you can do this for normal junk journals. It doesn't have to be for recipes. But what we're going to do, we're going to stick that one down there because I love that. And then I'm going to, oops-a-daisy, I'm going to grab my stamp, this little stamp set I've got, because there's this really cute stamp in this set. And it's a picture of some sort of yummy drink, but I think it looks very much like lemonade, and there is a little fruity slice of some sort in there. So we got all that covered, not quite in the middle there, eh? go. And I thought we might add this as well. And it also says Hello Summer, which I thought was, oh no, that didn't work very well. Okay, I think what we might need to do is I need something a little more solid underneath, and we might try that again. Let's see, I bet you I can't line this up properly, but honestly, that's not life or death, but we'll give it a go the best way we can and press that right in the middle there. Let's see. Not perfect, but I think we'll leave it at that. If I try it again, I'll probably really mess it up. It still looks very cute. So I think we'll call that page done for now, and we'll move on to the next one. So what have I got here? Let's say we use this little one. Now, what I wanted to do with this, I have this gorgeous little pear that I've cut out. I want to add that to there. So let's pop that down. There we go. Pop that one down on there. And then what else can we add to this? Let's have a look. No, I didn't want to use any, I had something in mind, but of course now I've forgotten what it was. What have we got? I think we might go for, where's it gone? Oh, I've lost it. Oh, hang on a minute. Where's this sheet? Aha. Okay. What I wanted to try and do, I remember now, is add this cute little orange segment, because it's nice and bright. I knew I had something, but I couldn't remember what it was, because I sort of did try and plan these out so that I didn't completely lose the plot while making up these. There we go. So we'll just trim that down. There we are. And then we will plop this cute little orange segment on here, just like that. There we go, nice and simple. And then this one here, I've already stamped on the basket and some cute little ants. And then I thought I would take this piece, which is a little mix of fruits, and pop them in the basket. It sort of fits quite perfectly. So there we go. There's another sheet done. Again, great way to use up little bits and pieces. Now let's have a look. What have we got here? Now I'm going to try something. I want to use this watermelon, but it is quite large. So what I thought I would do is fold it roughly in half, and then we're going to add it to both sides of the page. So I'll show you what I mean. We're going to get it to go over like that, so that it decorates both sides, because I really thought it was way too large. So there we go. We've sort of got watermelon on one side and we have watermelon on the other side. Now, let's have a look. We've got, I think I want one of these lovely bright watermelon pieces here, because these ones are really cute and nice and bright. So we'll trim this out. There we go. Doesn't have to be super perfect, but we're going to try and make it look semi-decent, you know. Especially because this is coffee-dyed paper, so we don't want too much white because it will really stand out. Go, trim that round. Perfect. So that's that little bit done. Okay, and I think what we'll do is we might pop that down over on the other side just for something different. Okay, now on this side, I've stamped a few leaves on there, and I thought I could add, over in the other corner, I might use this nice, oh no, I'm going to use this, that's right. I decided I'd use this little watermelon sign. 10 cents. Watermelon hasn't been 10 cents for a long time, I can assure you. But it's cute. Oh, hang on, we might have to trim that a bit further. I've put a little nick in that, so trim that down a bit further. Around we go. Okay, there we are. We'll just, even though we've lost a little bit of that W, I don't think that really matters. And then I thought what I would do is, because we've sort of lost that bit of the W, I might just put it across, and that way it doesn't stick out quite so much. So there's another sheet done. Again, very quick and easy. Then the lucky last one. Now, oh, I know. Okay, so I want to use this lovely piece in here. Because it's sort of got the doily printed on it, it will match my little bit of stenciling that I've done there. We'll pop this bit off, so I'm going to keep it that shape because I think that will look quite cute in there. So we'll get that down. Okay. Voila. And another cute little stamp in this set is this very cute little jam jar. I thought we could use that stamp. So let's pop it down. We'll try and do this one a little bit better. Let's get this book back. And we'll see if we can get this one to work a little bit better. Hopefully. Voila. Let's see how we go, hey? Oh, still not perfect. Obviously needs something a little bit more solid, but that's okay. I still think that's cute, and I will grab a black pen later and write the word jam in there. So that's the little strawberry one done. And then on this side, I've got these gorgeous apples here, which I think we will put on top of my little gold doily. There we go, just like that. And then I found this really cute sticker in a sticker book, one of my planner sticker books, which I thought was cute, and I love the little checks in behind it. And it says, eat dessert first. So I'm going to pop that on there. And there we go. They're all done. So very quick and easy, but a great way to use up little bits and pieces left over that you may have. And you can do this for normal journal pages too. Like this one here, this is actually, you know, a brown paper lunch bag. I thought that is a cute idea in a recipe journal. And then I've even got a little pocket there if I want to pop things in it. So there we are. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll be back again tomorrow, ready for day 6. And if you haven't watched everyone else's videos, I've got the details down below. And of course, if you want to purchase these kits and have a play with all these fabulous fruity things, the links to buy them are down below. Until tomorrow, take care, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.